Hello friends, welcome to our channel Mechanical Motivator. In this video, we are going to see job opportunities for mechanical graduates. So let us go into the video. The name of the company is Applied Materials. So just type Applied Materials in Google and then give a job search. You will be getting following result. So there you need to choose career so that you will be directed to the official website of the company. If not also, if you choose career at the bottom of the page, it will be very easy for you to keep a track of them. When you click on it, you can see search job. Okay, once you click on career applied materials, you will be directed here. When you scroll down, you can see an option called search job. Just click on search job. So once you click, you need to choose the location, region, and etc. So if you know means you choose, if not means just choose location as India and then give a job search. You will be getting around 283 results will be found. So you just add manufacturing in the key search. So once you type manufacturing, many thermal problem will be reduced. So only manufacturing around will be there. So automatically it will be very easy for us to track it up. So gently scroll down, manufacturing engineer Bangalore will be there. Just click on it. So once you click on it, left hand side you will be having an option to apply. So there will be a slight deviations and differences. So these are the key responsibilities, that is you need to develop, implement and maintain methods and change requests as required, and estimates manufacturing costs and determines time standard and make recommendations. So these are things which you need to do. So other than that, functional knowledge, you need to have demonstrated expanded conceptual knowledge and understand key business drivers using the understanding level alone. So leadership means no supervisory responsibility needed, and you need to be strong in problem solving and technical experience. So topmost you can see an option to apply. Just apply and think about it. So similarly you will be having another job in manufacturing engineering. So just have a glance of it and then apply for it. So almost everything will be same. Only one issue is so they have a years of experience as 2 to 4 years. That's alone different. And finally one child which we need to not child finally you will be having you will be having another similar manufacturing jobs. Just click it up and almost everything will be same. That's why I'm just scrolling up, and topmost you will be having an option to apply. Just click apply. They'll be asking you to upload your resume manually. So remaining rest of things will be automatically done. And if you after registering everything, okay, so you need the mail ID and password, right? So register everything by creating a new account. After registration you will be having it up. So in case if you have any doubts means you can mail them, and further contacts will be contacted by the college. So as of now, no improvement. So might be in upcoming days some improvement will be there, and all the jobs will be blooming up. So let's hope for the best. They will be contacting and intimating you through a registered mail ID and registered mobile number for further process. If you like this video, put a like and share the video to mechanical graduates. They will be making the best use of it. Kindly support our channel by subscribing and sharing the video to job seekers. We will be bringing all job opportunities to your doorstep. Stay tuned with Mechanical Motivator. Thanks for watching this video. Have a great day.